Hi, my name is Shane Solomon. I'm the owner of Julie's Park Cafe and Motel. Being right next to the park, I mean, this road right out here, we see so many travelers go by us. And when we can offer something that's not that traditional greasy spoon, at the pace where people can come in, get their food, get out to the trails, and be satisfied with it, that's what we want to see around here. Our veggie omelet is a spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, green peppers, sauteed on the grill, put into the omelet, and it's served with a bowl of fresh fruit. The combination of the eggs, the fruit, and the veggies is just a good start to any day. So our hot chicken mac and cheese, it's made with cavatappi pasta. We make a fresh 5-cheese cheese sauce, and we actually toss the cavatappi in that cheese sauce. It has 3 fried, hand-breaded, house-made chicken tenders that we roll in a cayenne-based spicy oil. And we put that on top of the mac and cheese. We add pickled red onions that are made in-house and a little bit more Monterey Jack cheese on top of that. So new this year is Sweetness, which is a dessert wine and coffee bar that serves anybody to come out and have a good time at night once everything closes or after the plays, or if they just want to get away for a special evening. On the Sweetness menu, we have a couple items that I'd like to feature. The Crème Brule Trio is one of my favorites. It's a vanilla bean creme brulee, a mocha creme brulee, and a salted caramel praline creme brulee. They're all 4 ounces each, so you actually get all 3 on the plate. Next item is the Kahlua Cheesecake. This cheesecake, you can taste both the richness of the cheesecake, the sweetness of the Kahlua. It's also beautifully topped with a rich chocolate ganache.